guys, it's me Marty and welcome back to Glam with Marty. So today I have something very special for you guys. I have a new shipment from Dossier Perfumes. So today I have a bunch of new things I want to show you guys. I want to smell them with y'all. I want to explain why I got them, give you price points and all that, just so y'all can see what I got because the deals at Dossier are insane and they smell so freaking good. There's been some repackaging, there's been some new products, there's been a whole lot going on. So before we get started, go ahead and like the video. If you like what you see here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It would help me out a whole bunch and it'll let me know that you guys like these types of videos that's not just makeup centered, because my house is like literally my castle. Like, I love my house. That's why actually, by the way, I'm shooting here because I wanted to show y'all my new makeup chair. I'm gonna get up so y'all can see because it's so cute. It's this furry white chair. Let me pick it up so y'all can see it, if I can pick it up. I don't want to pop my nails off, but I have a throw in it because I do makeup here and I don't want to mess it up. But look how cute. Oh, it came from Ross and I was so excited about it. It's fantastic. So anyway, if you guys want to see what I got from Dossier Perfumes, you can just keep on watching. Thanks. Whew. Okay, y'all, so first things first, let me get the box here. It's freaking full, so I got like a lot of things to share with y'all. I re-upped on a couple of fragrances. I got some new things, and I want to start with the newest product to the Dossier family first before I even get started, and it is freaking candles. Now, if y'all know me, and I think y'all do by now, y'all know that I love candles. Wait, where's the box? I love candles. I have candles burning in my house at all times. I usually have the Bath & Body Works candles, but I'm trying to get out of that Bath & Body Works thing and try to find some other candles. So I did find out that Dossier has a couple that smell like their fragrances. So like they'll have the fragrance and they'll have the candle, which I've been seeing a bunch of like perfume companies do that. A bunch of fragrance companies are doing that lately. So I really like that idea because if you have a scent that you love to wear, why wouldn't you want your house to smell like that as well? So the first thing we got is the candle. First of all, this is Powdery Hawthorn. This is the box they come in. This is the regular perfume box. I don't know which box this is. Oh, that's an old box. Okay. So this is what the perfume boxes look like. This is what the candle box looks like. Oh my God, the light is too bright. Hold on. All right. So this is what the perfume boxes look like. This is what the candle boxes look like. You see Dossier here. You see Dossier there. Underneath it, you see the scent name. So if you guys want to check this out, I am going to link every single thing that I'm showing you guys down below, so that if you want to check it out for yourself, you can, because their prices are insane. And the scents. Anyway, we're going to get back into that. Oh, it's so cute. So this says Love at First Match. I actually haven't opened this till tonight. Love at First Match on the inside. It has the same like interior as the other Dossier perfumes. If you guys haven't seen me do a Dossier review, I am going to put a card for one up there. I usually kind of attach them to something else when I'm doing individual scents, but since I ordered a bunch, I just wanted to do them all at one time and just unbox them for you guys. So this is Powdery Hawthorn. It tells you the note. Oh my God, I'm not even going to try. Aldehydes, neroli, and orange blossom on top. Middle notes are hawthorn. Oh, I like that smell. I can smell it right now. Oh, it smells good. I'm going to put this one downstairs, I think. Hawthorn, heliotrope flower, vanilla, amberette, and Peru balsam. It's inspired by Tom Ford Metallique. It says on the bottom of the card, "Thank you. We hope you enjoy the new candle as much as we enjoy creating it. We appreciate your amazing scents and scents." Pun intended. And then on the back, it just says Dossier. I want to see the packaging of this. I saw them online. Oh, yeah, that's what I figured they would look like. Oh, simple classic. This is Powder Hawthorn. This one, it smells fresh. Like, I like those sweet scents, but I keep those for upstairs because they're like my personal favorites. But like when people come to visit, they don't always want to smell like a cake. I do, but not everybody does. Like, I've gotten people that are like, "Oh my God, your scents are giving me a headache because they're so freaking sweet." So I wanted to get something that goes more with like everybody else, not just me. I'm going to actually light this right now because I want to see how it burns. Ooh, it lit quick. Like when I do a Bath & Body Works candle, it takes freaking forever for it to light. So it's lit. I'm just going to put it back here. Oh, let me give y'all price points on the candle. Hold on a second. I don't know what happened to my list, but it's not there anymore. So Powdery Hawthorn candle, it retails for $39. It says 25 hours of burning time. So that's a good bid for that amount. Yeah, so that's it. It's a single wick candle and I really like the scent. It's a really fresh scent. Like, I could see myself cleaning up the downstairs area, like cleaning up the living room, in the dining room, in the kitchen while this is burning. It's like fresh. It's kind of summery. It's not as sweet, like I said, as what I usually like. But I like it though. It's different. It's really fresh smelling, so I'm down for it. Alright, so I want to talk about Green Apple. Green Apple I'm not going to get too into because that's a re-up. I had this one already. I just wanted a second one to keep in the car because it's just such a fresh scent that I like to have it. It's so fresh, I like to have it like just in the car. Like after you eat and stuff in the car, you know, sometimes that scent will stay in there and I can't stand that. So I reviewed this already. If you guys want to see when I reviewed it, I'll go ahead and put a card for it up there. I can't remember which video it is off top, but I'll check for it and then I will review it for you guys down below. So this is the Citrus Green Apple. Again, I did get this one. That's a re-up. I had it already. This is it's inspired by Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue, which retails for $82. And you can get this bottle for $29. Again, I am going to link it down below. They do have on here, and I didn't know this, try and decide returns are free. There's nothing I've ever needed to return from there, but I love their packaging too, just for the record. I really love the simplicity of it, just the plain. I just love having them sit out on the counter. I actually gave these away for Christmas. I gave a lot away for Christmas. I think I gave my sister a couple of them. I gave my mom two. I love their perfumes. And they're so inexpensive, like compared to just buying the I wish they'd come out with a bonbon. If y'all can get a Victor and Rolf bonbon, they have flower bomb. I want bonbon. That would instant. So anyway, Ambery Vanilla I wanted to talk about because Ambery Vanilla is a new name, but it's the same scent as Floriental Vanilla, which I absolutely love. So when I ran out of it, I couldn't find it again. I was like, where is Floriental Vanilla? Because it smells so fresh. I'm wearing it today. I've been wearing this one all week. They renamed it as Ambery Vanilla. They said that the formula didn't change, or like the mix didn't change. But I will tell y'all, I feel like this one, when you first spray it on, smells way more ambery than Floriental Vanilla did. And then once it like dries and settles on the skin, then it smells like the old one did, like Floriental Vanilla did. But I like it, but it does smell a little bit different. It's more fresh than sweet, which is fine with me. It's just a different kind of scent. It still smells super fresh though. It has top notes of mandarin, pear, pink pepper, and licorice. Yeah, it is the same exact thing. Middle notes of jasmine and orange blossom, and then base notes of cedarwood, patchouli, vanilla, and coffee. Love it. Again, I think this one is $29 too. Let me check. Hold on. They got an Ambery Velveteer. I know that thing smells freaking good. Yeah, so Ambery Vanilla. Why is it so orange on this picture? Ambery Vanilla is inspired by YSL's Black Opium, which retails for $104. And you can get it for $29. And again, you can take it home, smell it. You can order it, have it come in, smell it, and then if you don't like it, you can send it back. So that's awesome. I don't know any other perfume houses that do that. I think I still have the box for Ambery Vanilla. So this is the box. Just so I can show y'all, because I don't think I showed you guys earlier. And I'm going to show y'all with the rest of them too. So this is what they come with, a card, like a scent card with information about it. And then inside is your little adorable perfume. And then it says on the top, iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. So yeah, I love it. So that's the one I'm currently wearing. I don't know, should I go through this in favorites? Yeah, let's go over favorites. So my favorite one out of the new set I got is actually Fruity Brown Sugar. Y'all, I did not think this was going to be my favorite. I don't want to buy the same scents over and over again. Usually I did buy Ambery Vanilla and Green Apple again, but I don't like to buy the same ones over and over again. I like to try new things, especially like with the seasons. So I got this one. I have worn all of these already, by the way. I've been testing them out since I got the package. This is Fruity Brown Sugar. It's inspired by Yves Saint Laurent Mon Paris perfume. Top notes are bergamot, raspberry, and pear. Middle notes are jasmine, orange blossom, and brown sugar. And the base notes are patchouli, amber, and vanilla. Y'all, this smells so freaking good. This is my favorite of the ones I got today. Of the ones I got this shipment. Fruity. I might buy some more of the fruity scents, but I have so many right now. I think I'll wait a little while before I get some more because I just can't wear that many fragrances. But, you know, depends on what vibe I'm feeling. I tend to wear my perfumes for a week and then switch it out. I'm not big on, like, switching back and forth, like, based on, well, if I'm going, like, on a date, I have certain sexier scents. And then in the daytime, I like different scents. Like this one. This one is like a... Oh my god, this is a daytime scent. Oh, I wear this to work like nonstop. I don't want to spray because I'm scared to set myself on fire since the candle's burning behind me. But and if y'all did not know, perfumes are very flammable because there's a lot of alcohol in them. So you know. So this is inspired by YSL's Monterey, which retails for $100, but you can get the fruity brown sugar for $29. And I really like this one. Just it smells really good when you first spray it on. It smells really good when it dries on the skin. It just goes well with like my body chemistry, which that's something people don't tell you, but like when you wear a lot of perfumes, you have to make sure it goes with your body chemistry. Because like a perfume will smell a certain way on me and smell different on my mom and my sister. It just kind of depends. So, you know, you can't just grab anyone's favorite perfume and it's your favorite perfume. You have to, you know, figure that stuff out. So, her back in the box. I just kept the boxes because I knew I was going to do this video for you guys. But I've been using all of these. I have worn every single one of them for at least a week since I got them a couple weeks ago. Love these. I hadn't used the candle though. I never smelled the candle or anything until tonight. So I also grabbed 2 of the powdery scents because I usually like a fresh scent. I got powdery coconut because coconut is everything to me. I would put coconut on anything. I have Floriental coconut already. I liked it, but it was more flower than coconut. So I was looking for something else that had more coconut scent in it. So I got powdery coconut and I got powdery orange flower. And the reason I got powdery orange flower is because I have what is it? I think it's called Orange Gourmand or something, like Sweet Orange Gourmand. It's in the bathroom right now too. Smells so good. It smells super sweet. So I wanted something that smelled fresh. Because like when I get out the shower, I wanted something I can just spritz on me and smell like super fresh and like almost like baby powdery. So I wanted you to try out these powdery scents. So let me talk about these 2. Let's go with powdery orange first because powdery orange smells really good. Powdery orange is inspired by Valentino Voce Viva Eau de Perfume. Top notes are mandarin, bergamot, and ginger. Middle notes are orange flower, white flower, and gardenia. And then the base notes are vanilla, tonka bean, and musk. Y'all know I don't usually like floral scents. Excuse me. I don't usually like floral scents, but I find this one, they're not, like gardenia and white flower is not that strong in here. It's definitely more of a citrusy scent. It's so fresh. This one in powdery coconut, I've actually sprayed on my pillows in the bed just so when I'm sleeping I can kind of smell it when I lay down in the bed to go to sleep. Love it. So this is powdery orange. Vanilla, let me get you guys a price point on these because they're not all $29. Most of them are $29. I can tell y'all there's no perfume that's over $50. Is the candle powdery hat on too? Yes, it is. So the powdery scents again, super fresh smelling. I love them. Yeah, so this one is $29 as well. Like I said, it would be a good one to throw in your gym bag too for when you get out of the gym. Just a fresher scent. And it's not quite as heavy. It's a good daytime scent. Let's do powdery coconut next while we're staying in the powdery family. Alright, powdery coconut. I think powdery coconut is actually a little more pricey than the rest of them. Powdery coconut I love. It combines 2 of my favorite things. That fresh powdery scent and the sweet tropicalness of coconut, which like my first name, I'm named after an island, so like anything beachy I love. Coconut, something with like sea salt, something with like a pineapple scent. Anyway, so powdery coconut, top notes are cardamom, pistachio, and bergamot. Middle notes are liang liang, tuberose, and jasmine. Base notes cedarwood, amber, benzoin, and coconut. So it is supposed to smell like, it's inspired by Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. So powdery coconut is $39. I wish they don't have one. When I looked, they didn't have one. Let me see. So Tom Ford Soleil Blanc retails for $250. And then this one is $39. Dossier, just some advice. Can we get a powdery coconut candle? Because I would be about that life so quick, it wouldn't even be funny. Oh, last one. I got one more left. So how many was that? 6? Did I get 6? Yeah, I ordered 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 6. 6 perfumes and 1 candle is what I got this time. So last but not least, I got floral marshmallow. I know what I just said about floral scents, but marshmallow as a base in any perfume smells amazing. That's why I'm so attracted to those Ariana Grande perfumes. The majority of them have a marshmallow base. Oh my god, if you can put marshmallow in a perfume, I'm sold. So it's the only one that has marshmallow in the name of it, so I had to get that one. That was like a no-brainer. As soon as I saw it, I was like, time to place an order. I would like for the record to show that I hate this camera battery. I don't know why. It's time to get another camera. That's what it is. It is time for me to just break down and purchase another freaking camera because I don't want y'all seeing my hanger rack behind me, but I don't have a choice because my camera battery decided to die on me, so I had to charge it because the backup battery is... Nope. Not gonna do it. Not gonna get angry. So as I was saying before my stupid camera died, so the top notes are marshmallow, neroli, and bergamot. Middle notes are orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, and orris. And then the base notes are amber, vanilla, and musk. I mean, it was like made for me. Like this, just the scent profile sounds absolutely amazing. So, ooh. It's so like sweet in a way of like sweet, like it smells sweet, but also sweet in like a cute, like girly way. Like this one I would get for my niece. I always call her my niece, but she's my cousin. But she's like 16 or 17, and this is a scent that would be good for her. I like it. I wear it all the time. That's my second favorite behind fruity brown sugar, floral marshmallow. It's just nice. If they release another marshmallow one tomorrow, let me see if they have any more. Floral marshmallow. Inspired by Killian Love, Don't Be Shy, Eau de Perfume. It retails, the Killian's, which I don't know what Killian is, retails for $240. Dude, perfumes are that expensive? Are you kidding me? I know like the Baccarat Rouge 450 is super expensive. Anyway, oh, it used to be Floriental Marshmallow? Okay. It used to be Floriental Marshmallow. It says new name, same formula, but I don't remember a marshmallow because I would have gotten it. It retails for $39 on their website. I love this one. Second behind fruity brown sugar. That is my last scent for you guys from my Dossier, I guess, haul unboxing. I found so many things I love there, y'all. I love perfumes. I love scents because I like to switch them up. I like to have a signature scent. I just feel girly. Like when I'm getting ready, I have my perfume tray on the bathroom counter, and I get out of the shower, and as I'm getting dressed, I just do and it just smells so good, and I just feel like ladylike. Like I remember growing up, my mom having perfume on the counter, and I remember my grandmother had perfume on her counter. She had like a little tray, and she would spritz herself, and I just always felt really ladylike spritzing on a perfume. I even like just seeing my bottles like laid out, and now my tray is like mostly Dossier perfumes, like they're taking up the whole middle section. Thank you guys so much for joining me today for my Dossier fragrance unboxing and kind of little test out situation here. If you guys want to see my glam in real time, including every week I'm trying to do a handbag and scent of the week. Usually I will feature whatever perfume I'm wearing that week and whatever handbag I'm wearing that week. So this week it is that Michael Kors bag behind me, and not floral, what is it called now? Ambery vanilla. So that's for this week. So I'm going to post that picture soon. That's going to be live on my Instagram page, which you can find right here. For my random thoughts about anything that crosses my mind, including anime, WWE, sports, literally whatever, you can follow my Twitter page, which is going to be right here. In the description box, you're going to find links to all of my stuff, including my WWE podcast and all of my socials. Also down there is going to be everything that I'm wearing on my face. If you wanted to see any of the makeup I have on. I'm also going to go ahead and include this top from Luxe and Chic. I actually featured them. I've been wearing their clothes a lot. I had an order from them. I had like 3 different things. It was 2 sweatshirts, and I also got a Mommy and Me shirt for me and my godchild, even though I'm her nini, not her mom. But we took pictures. Oh my god, I posted them on my Instagram, y'all. She is just so, she's everything. So anyway, I'm going to link this shirt down below as well if you guys want to check that out, as well as each and everything I showed y'all today from the Dossier haul, including the new Dossier candles. I just love this candle. It just looks nice. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave it down in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time you get glam smelling good. If you come on over here and get glam with Marty. See y'all next time. Bye.